In the Netherlands, there is a place where daydreams are a necessity to spark innovation. A place where students are shaping the future, where cutting-edge technologies meet the hardest working students.
The Dreamteams, first of all, are not invented by any one of the professors or by the university. It is all invented and started by the students themselves. So it is all student-driven and student-initiated.
Their goal? To design innovative machines to participate in races and set records all around the world. The Day Dream Hall facilitates these students who want to realize their technical dreams.
When I hear technology, I get excited.
It's one of the coolest things you can do, and getting to work on that as a student is amazing.
We're running a small company. We have to do our own planning, our own finances, our own everything.
And in order to make the project work, everybody needs to acquire new skills and use them properly.
One of the tricky things is that there is no instruction manual on how to be a chief engineer, and that's what makes it difficult but also so exciting to do.
Dream Hall is also offering multiple courses on how to handle PR, how to set up a planning, how to handle talking to companies,
how to use the machines, how do you handle exposure, how do you give a presentation, how do you give interviews.
In our courses we learn lots of theory, but I can then come down here to the Dream Hall. I can build something and we can test it, and when it fails, I've got a whole new dimension of understanding.
All these students come together in this place with different backgrounds, nationalities and skills, but with a common ambition. Along the road towards their goal, they face challenges which may seem impossible until they face them together.
Working here, I've gained a huge understanding of how to work in a team.
You need to know how to solve problems together.
It's not about your grade, it's not about someone that tells you you're good or you're not. It's with your team, you're working towards a goal, and you're working really, really hard to make sure we actually achieve that goal.
Just do it with your friends.
13 teams, over 500 students, all working towards a common goal to build and compete in their field of expertise. Whether it is racing with hydrogen or solar power as your fuel, reaching the edge of space, or combining human strength and technology, everything the students can think of can be built.
The biggest challenge during design, I think you go from literally zero, from scratch, to something that has to work perfectly in real life. In such a short time.
We use quite a lot of the facilities of the hall. For example, the laminating room for all of our bodywork. We use the machines, the PCB assembling room, the 3D printers.
Just to see that something that you build in your computer is now there in real life, it's really awesome.
The Daydream Hall is open 24 hours a day, year around, and with good reason. The students' sweat and tears, their time and all of their energy are incorporated in these projects. It's hard work to design and build the machines of tomorrow.
You are confronted with yourself a lot because it is very, very demanding.
Especially in the difficult moments, you try and imagine the launch, because that's the moment when everything comes together, and it was all of the sleepless nights, all-nighters and the tears. That's when it's worth it.
It has been over a decade of technological advancements where the boundaries of what was deemed possible have been pushed further and further.
Yeah, you can be proud of this.
It just gave this amazing feeling of everybody working very hard together to achieve the best results. And that's, I think, something that you can almost never experience in your life, that you can experience here.
That is learning by doing.
The machines of tomorrow are the daydreams of today. With the right attitude, anything is possible. Be part of the daydream. Build it.